Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Before anything else, before to this exciting part, I would like to thank Maribel Uy for my microphone. Thank you so much. Ayan na, ginamit ko na. So, we're having a chicken curry. See, look at the chili. Okay, with potato, carrots, tomato, and of course the chicken. And parisa na to, toasted bread, guys. See, toasted siya, no? And a fresh cucumber para naarapod tay vegetable, no? So, let's go! Toast the bread. So, what you do, i-ano mo na siya, no? You can sausaw it. I don't know how to say that in Tagalog, no? Super good. Dapat inunaan siya. Sausaw mo siya. See? Kita ba? So good. And that potato. Potato, init siya. Let's put a bit of sauce. So good. Maulam sa tagkaon na ni, madunggan man atong pag-usap. And carrots. See the carrots. Cucumber. Super good. Super good. Sausaw. The best. Naunta, guys. Let's have the chicken. Like rice, guys. In chicken curry, I preferred a bony part para mas malasa yung sabaw, yung sauce. Super good. Oh my God, with the cucumber. Let's finish all this. Okay, ang toasted bread, cannot keep, no? Look at my face. So spicy. That's so good. Chicken. Super good, guys. Mga unta. So, walang rice tonight. Super. Let's get the potato. I can't wait to cook this sa Pinas, no? Pag makauli ko po. Super. I hope lamiing inyong panyapon. Super good. No, very spicy. Look at my face, sweaty. This is very healthy. Cucumber. Just eat it like this. Nami kayong ano no, bony parts. Iiyaw sa manok. So that's it. I'm done. As much as I want to na ubusin, hindi na talaga kaya. Anyway, not bad. I have two, considered one slice of bread. And then I have the cucumber, which I can put back in the fridge. And the chicken curry, this is considered done. So yeah, I enjoyed my dinner. Thank you, Lord, for providing, for the blessing. And I hope you enjoy yours too. And I'll see you around in my next video. Bye-bye.